Look up at the sky. This is the A220, an aircraft born for success, the pride of Canada, and the heart of our Airbus family. Now take a look inside. You are here in Toulouse, in France, at the Airspace customer showroom. And this is the A220 full-length mock-up, sitting under one roof as a member of the Airbus family. The construction of the A220 mock-up started months ago with the heritage of the very first flight test aircraft. Many people from many functions at Airbus were involved with this challenge. And here's the result: a brand new cabin specifically designed to showcase the A220 cabin capabilities. At Airbus, we bet the A220 has an exciting future ahead as part of the Airbus family, connecting you and people all around the world.